All video content on this channel, as well as the video you are about to watch, was created for adult collectors, not for children. Hi everyone, Tammy here and welcome to my channel. You notice who I have here. I have Aurora, Princess Aurora, a Disney doll. She's been in my collection for quite some time and just been hanging out in her box. And she looks really pretty in her box, but I have had plans to open her at some point, and I thought today would be a good day because this is a reminder video about a collaboration challenge that I'm doing with Marna at Dolls Rescue. So for quite a while now, Marna and I have been doing various challenges. Just to give you some background about this real quick, if you're not familiar with what we've been doing, she and I challenge each other to take a Blythe doll and turn it into a particular character. So far we have done Alice in Wonderland, Merida, we've done, who else? We also had a bathing suit challenge, Snow White, we've done Snow White. So we've done a number of characters. Oh, we did Cruella, that was our last one. Our next one is Maleficent. And so we're going to take a Blythe doll and turn that doll into Maleficent, and then we're going to ask our viewers on November 12th, 2021 to watch our videos and then rank us between 1 and 10. So you watch my video, you rank it between 1 and 10, 10 being the highest, subliminal message. And then you go watch her video and also rank it between 1 and 10. And then what we do at the end, after a couple of days of our videos running and giving viewers a chance to go ahead and rank them, we count up the number of points that we each get, and then whoever has the highest number of points is the winner. And yeah, so and by the way, we also invite viewers to be part of this, not only to be part of it as far as voting and ranking us, but if you have a Maleficent doll that you would like to show in a video on November 12th, 2021, please feel free to make a video yourself and share it. And it doesn't have to be a crafting type of video. She and I are kind of we're making our dolls from a Blythe doll. But if you want to, you can do that. But if you already have a Maleficent doll, or you have some sort of doll, or even, Aurora doll, feel free to go ahead and do a video on that day and post it. And we're using the hashtag #MeanMeanMaleficent. All right, so let me go ahead and open this chickaroo up here. Voila! I got her out of the box. Oh, I should mention this little boo-boo on my finger, that's from my cat. I took her to the vet recently, so that's what I got for my troubles. Could have been worse, I guess. Oh, her hair is super stiff. Right, there's a piece of thread holding her hair in place in the box. She has something around her neck still. And of course, I think she has paper. Yeah, they all have paper up their dresses, their skirts. This is good paper to recycle and use for sewing. So I will put that in my little recycling bin there. All right, so her hair is super stiff. Oh, talk about box hair. I mean, look at that. So I don't want to mess up this. She's got this odd kind of curl thing here. And then she's got her crown. I want to keep the crown on. So for now, I'm just going to leave her hair like this, I think, because I do want to display her still. I don't know. That's kind of weird. And then, why does she have this thing around her neck, I wonder? She's got a little piece of elastic or something here. I'm not really sure what it's around her arms. Oh, you know what it is? It's holding this necklace on. I think now that she's out of the box, she probably doesn't need that. I guess I'll find out. Taking it off. All right, yeah, there you go. Ah, okay, that's not so bad. All right, so I'm going to put that back up. Her dress is really, really pretty. All of the Disney dolls, princess dolls, I bought at the same time, and they all have this sparkly kind of skirt. Oh, see, yeah, this moves around a little bit. Does she have pierced ears? Any earrings in there? I think that's a no. What's her other ear? Yeah, no earrings. Probably I just need to wet this and comb it out. So I might do that, and I'm probably going to show her when I do the Maleficent video. She can be standing next to Maleficent when I get my Maleficent together. I've got a long way to go. But she's got this really pretty two-toned, actually I guess, yeah, two-toned pink. So she's got this bright fuchsia pink as a skirt, and the part of the top is fuchsia. And then this is a really, really pale pink. So, and I like that. I like to have the light and the dark together. And then this little neck piece of the dress is white. So she's a really pretty, I mean, her face is gorgeous, seriously. Her hair's a little weird. I'm not sure, like it's got bangs and then a curl here. A long curl. So that's odd, I think. Because it also kind of covers up her face a little bit more. But I mean, look how pretty her face is. Very, very pretty doll. Love the face up. And of course they have, you know, limited articulation. Her head goes back and forth. Her arms bend. Her wrists bend. Their legs are kind of weird. I've done an unboxing in this same line with, who is it? Tiana and Snow White. So if you want to see those dolls, you can go search for them on my playlist. So these shoes, by the way, I think fit the typical Blythe, the traditional Blythe bodies. They have wire in them. They're not clickable. They're just bendable. Oh, I lied. They are clickable, but they just have like one click. They're not like super. They're not like a Barbie type bendable. It's just one. Are they going to click back? Not super bendy. Not super bendy. And they have painted on undies. Hers are pink. And the dresses do come off. I mean, these are Playline dolls. They're made to be played with. They're not really collectible type dolls as far as the higher end dolls go. But that's what appealed to me. If I remember correctly, I found a really killer sale because this is an older, these are older releases. And so I managed to get a really, really good price on them. And so I bought a whole bunch of them. So, oh. See, I hate these little things. You know, I always rant about these things on my videos. But, you know, they're hard to get into their head. Supposedly you can just push them in, but they're still kind of there. And then now I've got a bald spot, which I know if I comb her hair out and wash it and everything, it'll cover that up. But it just seems unnecessary. And of course, the newer releases of these princess dolls do not have all this plastic in them. They're actually in boxes that they're just placed in the box, and then you pull them out without having to do all this stuff. So that is at least something. But these older dolls have all this plastic attached to them. So, but there she is. She's super duper pretty. Really pretty doll. Glad I finally took her out. She can hang out with Snow White and Tiana up on my dolly shelf now. And await Maleficent showing up here. So yeah, I hope you guys do participate in our Mean Maleficent challenge. Like I said, Marna and I are the ones that were challenging each other. So we're only the ones that you have to rank and watch our videos for. Everybody else, though, we'd like to go ahead and have people participate. It's just fun to be able to go do a search on the hashtag that we usually have with these collabs and then see what everybody else came up with. I always enjoy that part of it. So yeah, I guess that's it. Yay! All right, everybody. Thank you for watching. Please give this a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Of course, you know, same old, and have a wonderful Dolly day. Bye!